Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure cloud backup was enabled on your old Authenticator, and you have access to the Microsoft account, email, or phone. Once done, install or open Microsoft Authenticator on the new device. Sign in with the same Microsoft account used for backup. This is critical because the app ties backups to that account. Then choose the option to restore from backup. Do it now so the app can locate the encrypted backup and prepare the recovery process. Next, authenticate to prove it's you. Enter your Microsoft credentials and complete multi-factor verification using email, SMS, or another Authenticator app. This step unlocks the encrypted backup on Microsoft Cloud. Without it, you cannot restore. Once verified, select the correct backup snapshot by date and tap Restore. The app will decrypt and repopulate account entries. Make sure your device is online and do not close the app while data imports, because interrupted restores can leave some entries incomplete. Finally, validate the restore. Open each account entry and test a one-time code against the service to ensure logins work. If some accounts didn't come back, re-add them manually using the original QR codes or setup keys. You might need to sign into those services to get new QR codes. Make sure to update backup settings again. If you can't restore at all, use your saved recovery codes or contact Microsoft support for account recovery. That tip often resolves locked or missing backup scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.